am Kalpit. In this video we are going to see some basic features of our networking tool called smartsniff. It is a networking tool which allows us to capture TCP/IP packets which passes through our network, and it view it in the proper sequence of conversation. I mean the conversation between the client and the server. We can see the TCP/IP conversation either in the ASCII mode or in the hex dump. It provides us three methods for capturing the TCP/IP packets. First one is raw socket, second is WinCap capture driver, and the third one is Microsoft Network Monitor driver. Generally we use first two, that is raw sockets and WinCap capture driver. But the first one, which is raw socket, it has some limitation with it. That's why WinCap capture driver is better than the raw socket. But for WinCap capture drivers, you need to install some of the separate drivers for it. This is the snapshot of our tool having different informations. This is about the protocols, their local address, their remote address, local port, remote port, the service name, packets, data size, and few other things. Okay, now we will see how does our software works. So for that, first I need to open it. Yeah, here it is. In order to start using smartsniff, simply copy the executable file to any folder you like and run it. After running the smartsniff, select the Start Capture from the file menu or simply click the green button in the toolbar. If it is the first time you are using it, you will be asked to select the capture method and the network adapter that you want to use. After selecting the capture method, click the OK button to start capturing TCP/IP packets. While capturing the packets, try to browse some website or retrieve new emails from your email software. After stopping the capture, smartsniff displays the list of the TCP/IP conversation that it is captured. When you select a specific conversation in the upper pane, the lower pane displays the TCP/IP stream of the selected client-server conversation. This is our upper pane and this is the lower pane. So the stream of the selected client-server conversation will be displayed here, and it will show the information about the packets like its protocols, local address, remote address, and other things. Okay, now I'm going to start my tool, and yes, as I'm already connected to the internet, so the exchange of packets must be going on. Okay, if I click this green button, the packets will start capturing. We can see this thing. The packets are getting captured, and here it is showing the count of it. We can stop it by just clicking this red button. Now I am having different 21 TCP/IP conversations, and these are all the packets that this tool has captured. And yes, I can change the options like right now we are using raw socket capture options. We can also use WinCap packet capture driver, but for that we need a different driver to install. We need to install a different driver for it. So for now I'm using this raw socket capture option. Okay, so the information about the captured packets are shown here. First one is protocol. The protocol which is getting used here, that is UDP. Other things are local address, remote address, port number, the size of the data, total size, and time and all. Now if I choose a specific conversation in the upper pane, the lower pane will display the TCP/IP streams of the selected client-server conversation. And yes, if we want to save the capture packets for viewing them later, we can use the Save Packet Data to File option from the File menu. Save Packet Data to File. Alright, so smartsniff provides us three basic modes to display the capture data. One is automatic, other is ASCII, and the last one is hex dump. So yeah, here are they. On automatic mode, the smartsniff checks the first byte of the data stream. If it contains character lower than 20, it displays the data in the hex mode. Otherwise, it displays it in the ASCII mode. Yeah, and you can easily choose this thing either by going into the menu or by using F2 keys. So we will see what all we have. See, these are the protocols which are used in the packets, and it is the local address from which we are capturing these packets, the remote address, local port, remote port, and yeah, the local host. As I'm capturing these packets, so it is showing the name of my PC as the local host. The other things are, yeah, the packets. Every packet, see, this is the count of the packet. That kind of packet is only one, so it is showing one here. This is the data size of the packet. The total size is 312 bytes, out of which 128 byte is taken by the data, and other would be either taken by the headers and other information which would be added with the that and with the packet. And these are the time at which it was captured, duration, and yeah, to see this local IP and country IP, we need to install some other files. uh, for now I don't have those files, so it is not displaying this local IP and remote IP. This is the stream conversation in the lower pane, which is displayed in hex mode. This was a brief description about this tool. Thanks for watching the video.